Hello friends, you are here with Mrs. Sheetal Deshpande from Sant Tukaram National Model School, Latur. I welcome you in today's session. Let's move for concept 1.2, latitudes and longitudes. Let's memorize. What is the exact time difference in between any two longitudes? Yes, you are true. The difference is near about 4 minutes. What is the exact time difference in between 0 degree meridian and 180 degree? Very well. The correct answer is 12 hours. What is the exact time difference in between 0 degree meridian and 360 degree? Yes, very good. It's 24 hours. What we will learn today? What is standard time? Location of all the continents with the help of all 360 longitudes. The longitudinal extent of India. Standard time. The time is different for different meridians. A country like India has many meridians. So places on a different meridians would have different times. To avoid the confusion, we have a standard time. A standard time is decided on the basis of certainly located meridian of a region. 82.5 east longitude is considered as a standard meridian of India, which passes from Mirzapur in Uttar Pradesh near Allahabad. India is ahead 5 hours 30 minutes than the Greenwich. We can see the location of all the continents with the help of all 360 longitudes. Let's look on figure. Here we have 360 longitudes in front of you. At the center we have the 0 degree meridian. We have here Asia continent, Europe, Africa, North America, South America and Australia. And it has scattered among the 360 meridians or longitudes. In this figure, we can see the longitudinal extent of India, that is 68 degree 7 east to 97 degree 25 east. See yellow colored part. What it shows? It shows the extent, longitudinal extent of India, which starts from 68 degree 7 east to 97 degree 25 east. Let's try to understand the first image. In a first image, we can see the longitudinal extent, that is from 68.7 east to 97.25 east. See, by marking also you can easily understand that what is the extent of India. The longitudinal extent of India is 97.25 minus 68.7 equal to 28.55. If we will make half of it, then 28.55 divided by 2 equal 14.275. If we want to take out center of longitudinal extent, then that is 68.7 plus 14.275 equal to 82.5. So standard longitude of India is 82.5 degree to the east. See, in second image you can exactly get the location of our standard meridian. Let's see the world standard time zone. As you know, we have at the center 0 degree meridian. If that is called as a prime meridian. If we will move to the east, the hours can be added than the Greenwich time. That's why it is given in a plain number. On the contrary, if we will move to the west, the time should be minus. So it is given with a minus sign. It is considered as a 1 hour for each meridian. So in this way, there is a one glance on world standard time zone. So today we have covered about the standard time and the India's longitudinal extent. So next part of it we will continue in tomorrow's session. Thank you very much. Have a nice day ahead. Bye bye.